If you look here, you will see that this is total earnings of $58 right here. Right, this is $58, as you can see it here, total earnings, which is $58. This is how much I have actually earned from this particular affiliate platform. Right, so I'm going to refresh this page right now so that you see that everything you see on this page is real money. It is not a kind of screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page right now so that you see everything. Now let me go and refresh it right now. Let me refresh. I will scroll up and I will refresh this page. So the page is refreshing, so I will scroll down again. As you can see here, everything is still intact. $58 right here. As you can see it here, total earnings $58. This is just one of my affiliate platforms, right? I have other affiliate platforms where I have done over 1 million naira. That is to tell you that affiliate marketing is really profitable. If you want to start affiliate marketing as a beginner and make good amount of money doing affiliate marketing, now listen to me very, very carefully. All you need to do right now is to get a quality affiliate marketing training that is going to show you everything you need to know, how to get started with affiliate marketing, how to make your first sale in affiliate marketing. Now let me tell you, when I started affiliate marketing, I thought that I can do everything by myself until I got a quality training that showed me the secret. Listen, the secret here is very, very important. If you don't know the secret to affiliate marketing, it is going to be very difficult for you to make a single dime in affiliate marketing. I know exactly what I am telling you because I have been there. Yes, I have been there, and I was able to overcome this just by enrolling in a quality affiliate marketing training. Right, so if you want to start right now and make money in the next few days, I will also recommend you take the same training that helped me achieve my success. Like I told you, this is just one of my affiliate platforms. I have made more than 2 million naira doing affiliate marketing. So if you want to get started right now, go down to the video description, click the first link in the video description and get this particular affiliate marketing course. Right, click the first link in the video description and get this particular training. Trust me, it is going to be a life changer for you if you are willing to take action right now.